The biggest lie that we are told is to find someone that makes you happy. Don't fall for that shit. Happiness is something you create on your own. And then, if you're lucky, you find someone who adds to it.
One day, someone will break you so bad,
Am I flawed?
you will become unbreakable. I don't have a lot of friends, but I'm okay with that. Nowadays, friends do the same things enemies do. I'm good.
Say something, I'm giving up.
Have patience with yourself. Nobody ever got better overnight. You'll get wherever you need to be in time. For now, remember that every day that you survive is a step forward, and you have survived many tough days that you thought wouldn't pass. Be proud of yourself and keep going.
Be the one who refuses to fold. That alone separates you from almost everyone. Most people crumble when life gets heavy, but not you. You hold your ground, you push through, and you rise when others step back. Keep that strength. Keep that mindset. It's the quiet resilience that builds a life they'll never understand.
Oh, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. A second chance at love. Second chance to do the things we'd never done. Time to live again. The world's a smaller place than you realize, my friend. Happiness is fair. What is fair in my life when you're not there? Seeing stars for free. Life is what you make your life, you see. Can you really love anyone you want to? Or is love something that's pre-planned? Is there a real God that you can talk to? Is it someone who understands? What is life without you? But empty space and time, multicolored leaves all around, but it's mountains that I have to climb. Can you really love anyone you want to? Or is love something that's pre-planned? Is there a real God that you can talk to? Is he someone who understands?
I don't give a fuck what you think. I don't care what you think about me. I come from an environment with very little cheerleading going on. And so I created this sort of survival instinct where I would cut people out, you know, and minimize opinions. And the way that I would do that is I had to believe that my opinion was greater than everybody else's opinion around me.
Truth is, I hate you, but I love you. I miss you, but I'm better off without you. I want you out of my life, but I never want to let you go.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Some people only come into your life to teach you what love is not. And when that happens, I hope you know when to walk away.
Whoa, it's a long way home.
Truth is, they won't even know you're hurt because they never looked at you the way you looked at them.
When did I become so?
Remember, discipline is remembering what you want, even when comfort begs you to forget. Remember, discipline is remembering what you want, even when comfort begs you to forget.
Are you okay? Always the same question. I'm fine. Always the same lie.
When did I become so?
This year has been the hardest year of my life. I've been through so much pain that some days I could barely stand. I've cried in silence, fought battles no one knew about, and questioned if I'd ever make it out. But even in my weakest moments, something inside me refused to give up. I kept moving, even when my heart was heavy. I kept believing, even when everything around me was falling apart. And now, looking back, I realize the pain didn't break me, it built me. It taught me that strength isn't about never falling. It's about standing again when your body and soul beg you not to.
Brother, you've been my silent strength. You never asked for attention, never spoke of your pain, yet you carried more than most could handle. I've seen you fight battles no one knew existed. Stand tall when everything around you was falling apart. You taught me what it means to be real, to keep moving forward when life shows no mercy. You never needed recognition because your power was in your silence, in the way you kept going when the world turned its back. Every scar on you tells a story, not of weakness, but of survival. You showed me that being strong doesn't mean never breaking. It means breaking and still rising. Brother, you're not just family. You're proof that strength isn't loud. It's quiet, patient, and unshakable. You're the kind of man the world may never understand, but I always will.
If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. If you don't, you'll find an excuse. Life is full of challenges, but the difference between success and failure is often determined by our willingness to persevere. When your desire is strong enough, obstacles become opportunities, and excuses fade into the background. The power to achieve lies within your mindset and determination, and once you commit fully,